everybody, welcome to my channel, Creative by Nature Art and Life. Today I have a craft supply haul for you all from In Love Art Shop. So let's get into it. So I have been working with In Love Art Shop for a little while now, and I am really enjoying their products. So they asked me to work with them again, and I said yes again because their products are awesome. So I'm just going to share you what I got, and then I'm going to share it with you a few of the samples of some of the dies that I got. So first off, I got this really fun, it's like it's like a lace, but it's a sticker, and I'd call it a bit more like a decorative edge. See how it looks? It looks a bit like a lace doily edge or some lace. I think it's just so pretty, and it comes in different colors. So I just got the white to try it out, and they have such fun stickers. I wanted to try something a bit more spring, so I got these, and they're large sheets, so you can cut them out individually, the images that you want, or you could use the full sheet even if you wanted. I think they're just so pretty. Like this one with the strawberries on it. And it's like a washi. That's just so beautiful. Great for springtime. And that one again. And that's what they all look like. And I have been eyeing these ones for a while. And I finally decided to go for it because I thought since we're going into spring and summer, it would be great to have some of these stickers. Again, they are like a washi sticker, and they are so beautiful. And there's some really big ones, and then they've got some beautiful packaging too. Isn't that gorgeous? That would make a beautiful tag. And there's all the images there, and it looks like there's about 3 of each. So there's the Black-Eyed Susan and some foliage. I'm loving these mushrooms. And these are gorgeous. I believe these are a type of iris. Some ferns, tulips, more tulips, and some, looks like some type of wild flower. It's just so pretty. So I am going to be creating something with some of these stickers and some of the other products here coming up, and I will have that video for you soon. Oh, these are so gorgeous. These are going to be great all year round because they've got the roses, which are great for summer, and here's some lilies, poppies. Oh, such a beautiful variety. Okay, and then I picked out a selection of some dies. So here is a nesting die. It's a circle, and it has some little flowers around the edge to emboss. So I thought that would be really pretty for spring and summer. And then they have this one. It is square with the rounded edge, and as you can see, there's some stitching. So I thought that would be fun to try. Again, a nesting die. And this is a border die, and I thought this was so cool. I love this. I think this would be great to edge a card. And then there was this one. I fell in love with this. I think it's just gorgeous. All these beautiful flowers around the edge. Yeah, I can't wait to share that one with you. Okay, so for this die, you can see how beautiful it cuts out an edge. I just think that is so beautiful. So that would look gorgeous on a tag or a card, or even like a page in a really beautiful journal. And then this is the square frame cutout, and it does a great job of embossing the stitch. And then it also comes with these little pieces that are cut out from the center, so you can use these for some different things, which I think is really cool. And then there's this circle die with the decorative edge here. Now I noticed that some of them actually punched right through, like this one think it depends on how many times you go through your machine, but that one, this little tiny circle punched right through, and then it embossed the other little bits. And then this one I only put through once and it just embossed it. So keep that in mind. And then there's this one, just added like a little decorative edge. This one almost punched through. And this one I started to clean it up and it was punching through as well. So this one is so pretty. And I think you could probably, like if you just got a regular circle die, you could make this into a frame. Okay, I love this die so much. It is gorgeous. And it was very easy to use. So this is the large. Isn't that just stunning? Oh, I can't wait to play around with this. And then this was the leftover. Isn't that interesting? I thought it had such a cool detail. So a person could definitely use this as well. And then here is the smaller one. So I want to say thank you to In Love Art Shop for all these beautiful products. I can't wait to play around with them. So stay tuned for some upcoming project videos. I want to thank you all so much for being here. Again, all the links will be down below along with a discount code, so please check it out. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.